Hi students, I am your maths teacher. In this class, we are going to see about the area of combined shapes. What is the meaning of combined shapes? When two or more plane figures joined with the side of same measure give rise to a new shape called combined shapes. Before starting with the sums, we are going to see some shapes, area and perimeter. For example, we are going to see the shape of triangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, square, and so on. With the help of the given table, we are going to find the area and perimeter of the combined figures. The first one is triangle. The area is half into base into height. And the perimeter can be calculated as sum of all three sides. The second one is equilateral triangle. Area root 3 by 4a square. Perimeter 3a. Third one quadrilateral. Area half into d into h1 plus h2. The perimeter is sum of all four sides. Fourth one parallelogram. Area base into height. Fifth one rectangle. Area length into breadth. Sixth one trapezium. Area half into height into a plus b. Seventh one rhombus, the area is half into d1 into d2. Eighth one square, area is a square and the perimeter is 4a. Regarding the perimeter, it is easy to calculate by calculating the boundary. So if you are going to be thorough with the area, you will not have any problem with the perimeter, and the perimeter calculation will be easy in the combined figure, students. So before starting with the sum, you have to be thorough with this concept. While you are doing the sum, you are going to apply the area and perimeter for 2 or 3. Exercise 2.2 first sum. Find the perimeter and area of the combined figure. We are going to take the first sum. If you see the first sum, they are given you one shape. That is, if you notice, one side, that is length is 10 meter and breadth I am taking it as 7 meter. Another side I am having in the form of semicircle format. If I close this figure, suppose if I close this figure means I will be getting in the form of rectangle. The top place is going to be 10 meter. Since it is a semicircle, I am going to calculate the radius. That is, it is going to be 7 by 2 if I am going to calculate the radius. So what is the two things they are asking you to find? Perimeter and area. The perimeter means I am going to calculate the outer value. So perimeter equal to 10 plus 7 plus 10. Since this side I am having in the form of semicircle, I am going to calculate only the radius. That is, half radius means half of diameter. That is 7 by 2 is going to be r value. That is 1 by half into 2 pi r. If you add these values, I will get the value as 27 plus the value for pi is 2 will get cancelled. Pi 22 by 7 and r I am taking it as 7 by 2. If you simplify, you will get the value as 38 meter for perimeter. Coming to area. In area, I am going to calculate that is area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Since the outermost figure is a rectangle, students, if you see inside I am having it as semicircle. So I am going to take the outermost figure. Outer figure minus inner figure. That is area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. The formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of semicircle half into pi r square. So I am just calculating the value. Length is 10, breadth 7. Just substitute the value, cancel the terms. Finally, you will get the answer as 50.75 meter square. The calculation can be done in any way, but it should be our final answer must be 50.75 meter square. Exercise 2.2 third sum. Find the area of a combined figure. They are given you the figure. In this figure, we are going to have two parallelograms. That is, the base of two parallelogram is going to be 8 centimeter and the total height of the figure is 6 centimeter. So, since both the figures parallelogram, the total height they are given you as 6 centimeter. I am going to split this height into two. That is, height I am going to take it as 3 centimeter. For each parallelogram, I am going to take the height as 3 centimeter. So, area of 2 parallelograms. The formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. So, area of 2 parallelograms. I am having two figure, both the figures are in the form of parallelogram. So, area of 2 parallelograms is equal to 2 into base into height. Since I am having two figure, I am writing it as 2. That is 2 into, what is the base? 8 into height 3 centimeter. So, just if you multiply 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, you will get the value as 48 centimeter square. Exercise 2.2 fourth sum. Find the area of combined figure given formed by joining a semicircle of diameter 6 cm with the triangle of base 6 cm and height 9 cm. They are given you pi equal to 3.14 students. If you see here, in this figure, we are having two shapes. If you see this figure in an outline, it is like a cone ice cream. The top one is like semicircle and the bottom is triangle. I am having only one semicircle. If you see here, 6 centimeter means this denotes the diameter of that semicircle. So if you convert this diameter into radius means I am going to divide by 2, so I will get it as 3 centimeter. The bottom part I am having, in the outer part if you see, it is like one triangle. I am going to split this triangle into two parts. So if you split this triangle into two parts, you will be calculating the base and height. The base is going to be 3 centimeter and height is going to be 9 centimeter. Totally, if you see, I am having three figures here, students. First, I am going to calculate for each figure. I am going to calculate the area. Then I am going to combine the figure. So when I am combining the figure, I will be adding the values. So area of a semicircle. I am having only one semicircle here. What is the formula for area of semicircle? Half into pi r square. Half, the value for pi is 3.14, which is given in your question, and the value for r, that is radius, is 3. So r square, 3 square, calculate, you will get the value as 14.13 centimeter square. Area of two triangles. Here I am going to calculate for two triangles. Both the base and height are same for the triangle. So I am going to calculate directly for two triangles. Actually, the area of triangle is half into base into height. Since I am having two triangles, I am going to write like this: 2 into half into base into height. If you cancel this one, you will be getting at it as base into height. If you calculate, you will get the answer at 27. But what is the question asked here? They are asking you to find the area of combined figure. That is, I am going to join semicircle and triangle, two triangles. If you add these two values, you will get the value as 41.13 centimeter square. Exercise 2.2 fifth sum. The doormat, which is in hexagonal shape, has the following measure as given in the figure. Find its area. What is the meaning of hexagonal? A figure which is having 6 sides is known as hexagonal shape. If you see this doormat, I am having 6 sides in the outer part. I am going to divide this doormat into two parts. That is, if you divide, in the middle they have drawn a dotted line. If you notice, the figure is divided into two parts and the two shapes represents the trapezium. In this trapezium, first we are going to see this 70 centimeter and 90 centimeter is considered to be the two bases for the trapezium. So I am going to take it as A and B. And if you notice, by the side they have given you as 70 centimeter. For both the trapezium, the total height of the figure is 70 centimeter. I am dividing into two means 35 and 35. I am writing it as 35 centimeter, students. So now I am going to find the area of the doormat. Just we can see the calculation. Now see here, area of doormat is equal to area of two trapezium. Since I am having two shapes as trapezium, I am writing it as 2 trapezium. Actually, what is the formula for trapezium? A half into height into A plus B. A plus B is nothing but the base. Half into height into A plus B. Since I am having two shapes, I am writing it as 2 into half into H into A plus B. Cancel this 2. Height means 35. 90, 70 is going to be the base A and B. Calculate, you will get the answer as 5600 centimeters square, and that is the required area of the doormat. Exercise 2.2 sixth sum. Find the area of the invitation card which has two semicircles attached to a rectangle as in the figure given. Here I am going to take pi as 22 by 7. If you see the figure, in this figure I am having, in the middle part I am having the shape of rectangle, and I am having two semicircles here, students. So if you see here, length and breadth I am going to take it as 30 and 21. Semicircle, the diameter is given as 21 centimeter. If you divide by 2, that is 21 by 2, I will be converting that into radius, that is 21 by 2 centimeter. Now we'll start the calculation. Just see here, students, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. That is, I am having only one rectangle here. That is 30 into 21, you will get the value as 630 centimeter square. Area of two semicircle, since I am having two semicircles, I am writing it as 2. 2 into, what is the formula for area of semicircle? Half into pi r square. That is 2 into half into pi r square, students. The value will get cancelled. The remaining I will be having it as pi r square. The value for pi I am going to take it here as 22 by 7 as it is given in your question. And r is nothing but 21 by 2. I am not dividing. I am keeping it as it is. That is 21 by 2 the whole square. Calculate, simplify, you will get the answer as 346.5 centimeter square. What is the question they are asking you? Find the area of the invitation card. So I'm just adding those two answers, that is area of rectangle plus area of two semicircle. Finally I will get the answer as 976.5 centimeter square. Exercise 2.2 10th sum. We are going to find the area of the irregular polygon. They are given you the diagram, students. If you see the diagram, it is in the shape of irregular polygon. It is divided into, totally it is divided into 6 parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For these 6 parts, I am going to find the area separately. I am going to take each figure separately and I am going to find the area. Let me take the first one, figure 1. If you see the figure 1, I am going to find out what type of figure it is. So if I notice, it is in the shape of triangle, that is area of triangle AFH, that is AFH. I am just taking the corner of part 1. What is the formula for area of triangle? Half into base into height. If you see the base from A to H, I am having two values, that is 80 and 60. If we add these two values, I will get the value as 140. Height 50. Calculate, you will get this value, that is 3500 meter square. Coming to figure 2. Figure 2 is in the form of trapezium, that is EFHI. Half into 50 and 40 is going to be the parallel sides, that is A plus B is going to be the parallel sides. Calculate, you will get the answer as 1575 meter square. Coming to figure 3. Figure 3, if you see, it is in the shape of triangle, that is area of triangle DEI. Calculate, students, you will get the value as 1800 meter square. Coming to fourth figure, it is also in the form of triangle. Fifth figure, if you see, it is in the form of rectangle, that is area of rectangle BGJC, that is area of rectangle is length into breadth. If you see the length here, we are having from G to J, I am having the value as 60, 35, 65. Add these values, you will get the value as 160 and breadth I am taking it as 50. Calculate, you will get the value as 8000 meter square. The last one is a triangle, that is the sixth figure. Figure 6, area of triangle ABG. Calculate, you will get the answer as 2000 meter square. Finally, I am going to find the area of irregular polygon. That is, I am going to calculate all the answers whatever I got in 6 figures. If you calculate the values, finally I will get the answer as 17,500 meter square. In this class, we have completed exercise 2.2. Understand the concept and then do the sum, students. Thank you.